Friends, today I'm going to read to you your assignment for Wednesday from Newsella about climate change. The title is Climate Change Harms Ocean Hotspots by Associated Press, adapted by Newsella staff on February 27th, 2017. This is the word count, 392 words, and the level is a 520 Lexile level. So that's why I'm going to read it to you. It's a little bit of a harder text for you. Here's the wonderful picture they're giving you. You guys might want to start by asking some questions about the picture. Maybe see something that you might notice. Maybe you can make a connection to the picture. This looks like this is the ocean. My connection is I've been to the ocean. I wonder what these kinds of birds are. They look kind of crazy. The caption for this picture, if there's a caption with a picture, I'm pretty sure this is going to be a nonfiction text. Let's see if we're right. Pelicans float near the Galapagos Islands. A new study says that the 6 oceans hotspots have the biggest mix of species and are among those getting hit the hardest by global warming in industrial fishing. It's sort of like the targeting of the world's natural underwater super zoos. The photo is from AP Photo, Kristen Johnson file. So now I'm going to start reading the text. As we read, I want you to try to pick out some details and get a good understanding. First paragraph. First, the good news. Scientists have found places in the ocean with the most kinds of sea life in the world. Next paragraph. Now the bad news. These places are in danger. Global warming is already harming them. The scientists call these places hotspots. They are called this because of their biodiversity. Biodiversity is the variety of life in a habitat. The more types of animals that live in a certain place, the more biodiverse it is. Hundreds of different types of sea life lives in ocean hotspots. Here's one heading. Scientists study 2,000 different sea creatures. Scientists have studied biodiversity in oceans before. This new study is more detailed, though. It looked at more than 2,000 different sea creatures. It even looked at tiny plankton. Oh, I can make a connection with that. I watch SpongeBob SquarePants, and I know one of the characters is Plankton. He's that tiny little guy, right? The next paragraph. In all, the scientists have found 6 hotspots, all near the equator. The equator is an imaginary line that goes around the Earth. It cuts the Earth into 2 parts. The parts are called the Southern Hemisphere and the Northern Hemisphere. The next heading is Hotspots are in danger. The study says the hotspots are in danger because of global warming. This is the warming of the Earth. Scientists say that it is happening because of the fuels people use. These fuels make energy that we use to drive cars and light our homes. But they also create greenhouse gases. These gases trap the heat in the air, making the world hotter. The oceans warm up too. Warmer oceans can harm sea life. Scientist Andre Girardia, might be pronouncing his name wrong, so we'll call him Andre C., worked on this study. Andre C. is a penguin expert. He says global warming is already affecting the hotspots. It is affecting penguins too. The Galapagos penguin is one example. This penguin lives in the Galapagos Islands. They are located off the coast of South America. And look, they have a photograph, because this is a non-fiction text, a photograph of the Galapagos penguin. So cute. All right, the last heading is Penguin snacks are dying off. The Galapagos penguins like to eat krill. Krill are the small fish. They live in cold water. The ocean carries krill to the islands. Then the penguins snack on them. Now that the ocean is getting warmer, not as many krill survive. The penguins do not have enough to eat. They are dying off. Sadly, Galapagos penguins are almost all gone. All right, so we've read the text. I want you guys to read that with me. I want you guys to go back to the text. You guys can rewatch this video as much as you like when answering the questions. Please email me or dojo me if you have any questions. I miss you guys.